God, no. Oh, no. Oh, God, it's happening.
Excuse me? I'm looking for a bathroom. I'm gonna shit my pants.
Okay.
Hurry, please.
Over there. Look that building.
How far?
About 1 minute. Look, that is
1 minute. I can do that. Thanks. Okay, thanks.
where did you can just take it.
Oh God, my ass is gonna explode.
Do you guys know where there's a washroom nearby?
In the super castle there is.
In the suite? Oh, I was in there and they wouldn't let me use it because I wasn't a fine customer. Go in the back? Okay, thank you.
You guys gotta help me. I'm literally gonna shit my pants. Do you know where the washrooms are?
Over there.
Like how far?
Like that building right there.
Oh, okay.
Right there.
Okay, you think I can make it?
Right.
Fuck, okay, thanks.
God. Excuse me. Oh. God. Why today? Oh. Jeez.
Ooh, ah. Oh my God, it's coming out.
I was holding back.
Honestly,
I was looking for the camera. I was like, what? No way.
I heard it was too consistent. I was like,
no, we got caught. We got caught.
Yeah, it was my pooter.
take my hat.
It's going on YouTube or what?
If you guys are cool with that.
It's whatever.
Okay, cool. You guys are hilarious.